Here we have a set of equations with fractions for you. One of them I will do, the other you do yourself. Okay, so I will do the one on the right side. I always like to do the one on the right side. So let's do solve this equation. Now this is like fractions, correct? So what you can do is cross multiply. Think like this, that this is over 1. So if we cross multiply, what do we get? We get minus 4 times 2 equals to 3x minus 2. And this is what we get by cross multiply. I hope you understand the process. Cross multiply. If not, let me explain you in some more details. What I'm trying to do here, I'm multiplying actually by 2 on both sides. Why? Because I want to get rid of this 2. Now what really happens is, when you multiply by 2, then 2 divided by 2 is 1, right? So you get 1 times 3x minus 2. So you get 3x minus 2. That is how I got it. Now here it is not 2 minus 4. So when you multiply, put them in bracket. We are multiplying the two numbers, right? So it is minus 4. If you write it before, then there is no problem. But if you write it like this, there could be a confusion. Therefore, let's put brackets here. It is always better. So now you understand. Let's move forward. Minus 4 times 2 is minus 8, and we get 3x minus 2. Then you got to add 2 both sides, right? So if you add both sides, you get minus 8 plus 2 equals to 3x. So you know what we did. We did here is added 2 both sides. Is that okay? So when you add 2 both sides, you get minus 2 plus 2 is 0, and minus 8 plus 2 is minus 8 plus 2, which is minus 6. So you get minus 6 equals to 3x. Now you need to divide by 3 both sides. So you get minus 6 divided by 3 equals to x, which is minus 2. So you get x equals to minus 2. It's always a good idea to check, correct? So let's check it. So check means plug in minus 2 for x and see what do you get. So let's try to do that part also. So it is, we are starting with the right side now. In the right side we have 3. We want to put minus 2. So it is 3 minus 2 divided by 2. Perfect. So 3 minus 2 is minus 6. So there we get minus 6 minus 2 divided by 2. Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 divided by 2. Minus 8 divided by 2 is the number 4 with minus sign. And that happens to be our right side also. So it is a perfect solution to this beautiful equation, right? With some fractions. Now here this is how we do it, right? Now you need to solve this. But I will write down the steps for you. First step should be cross multiply. When we say cross multiply, we really mean that you are multiplying by the denominator, right? So this denominator is 3. Or we can also say times 3 both sides, right? That means times 3, so both sides, so correct? If you do that, you get minus 9 equals to x minus 4. X minus 4. Then the next step should be plus 4 both sides. So if you do plus 4 both sides, you get what x is. And what will be your x? Minus 9 plus 4. That means minus 5. You get your answer. Minus 5. That is how simple it is, right? Now let's check it out. Check with what? Did we really solve it? Well, we did some calculations. We multiplied by 3 both sides and got minus 9. And minus 9 plus 4 gave us minus 5. Let's check with minus 5. Do we get real answer? So on the right side, I'm going to check it. Minus 5 minus 4 divided by 3. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9 divided by 3, which is minus 3. Perfect. So that is a good solution. Okay. The solution is there, the steps are there, and now it becomes easy for you to do. But follow the steps and write your steps also while you solve. Okay. All the best. I hope you enjoy it. Continue doing some more and don't be afraid of fractions anymore. Thank you.